Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. I really don't wear makeup every day, but this is kind of like my go-to. Again, all the products and links will be listed in the description below, so check that out and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started! So first, I'm taking this Pond's Dark Spot Correcting Moisturizer. I love this stuff. Next, I'm taking the Mario Badescu water as a primer and following up with two powders that I mixed together. I mixed the Sasha Buttercup powder together with the Ben Nye powder in the color Chestnut. And now I am going around my brows and blending out the concealer that I put around my brows with that same powder. Now I'm taking the first foundation. This is the No More Blemish foundation. I got this one from a beauty supply store and it was literally $5. And then the next foundation I got from like the campus store at my school. These two foundations work really, really well together. And again, I have oily skin, so like I don't like when something is too watery or like too thick. So these foundations have the perfect balance of those consistencies, and I feel like they match my skin tone very, very well. So I love using this combination together. And I'm blending that out with a beauty blender that I got from my beauty supply store as well. The beauty blender was literally $1 and it works so well. Like, you guys, wow. Okay, so now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette too, and I'm using the first shade of the first row and I'm focusing it under my eyes and on my forehead and on my chin and down my nose, pretty much everywhere where I want to pop to look a little lighter. You can also use this palette as foundation. Sometimes what I'll do is if a foundation is too light or too dark, I'll use one of these shades and I'll just mix it in with whatever foundation to make it my perfect shade. And it's super cheap. Literally, it's on BH Cosmetics website right now for $5. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the color Cafe 30. This is one of the best concealers, I feel like, and it's super cheap as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. If I want to do like a more, I guess like a full, more cake look, then I'll apply more concealer and like let it set a little bit. But since this is a more natural, everyday look, I just immediately went into blending. And now I'm taking those same two powders mixed together and going over the concealer so that it's nice and soft and it looks flat and seamless. Also, this will control my oil throughout the day so that I don't like look like a greasy potato by the end of the day. So I do cake on the powder on my face. Next, I am taking this e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette and I'm using the 3 brown shades in the palette. I kind of just mix them together, and this is what I use as my contour. I don't use a cream contour, I just use just this little bit of shadow, and I'm blending it into my hairline so that I don't have that line of demarcation. Next, I'm taking this Profusion blush and bronzer palette, and this blush palette, I actually got it from Ross for like $7, but since Ross isn't online, I did include the link. Now I'm using this JLB Glow Cream to kind of make more dimension in my blush, and I got this also from Ross. And then I'm taking just a big blending brush and kind of blending in the blush and the rest of my face. And now I'm spraying my whole face with the Mario Badescu water before I put on my highlighter. Spraying my face with the water first really makes the highlighter pop, so I recommend you guys do that if you just want your highlighter to pop a little. This highlighter is from the Balm Cosmetics, and I got this in an Ipsy bag when I used to have my Ipsy subscription. So the Ipsy bags were like $10, so that it was really cheap. But online it's like $22, which I guess isn't too bad because this highlighter, y'all, I mean, you see it. Next, I like to take a little bit of pink glitter and put it over where I put my blush. This kind of just adds more shimmer and like it just looks prettier in the light when you have glitter on. Next, I am taking this Bella Pierre mascara, and I am brushing it through my brows so that they look more 3D. And I've already applied my lashes off camera, so I'm just using this mascara to blend my natural lashes with these flossies. And I got these lashes on Amazon. Next, for my lip liner, I'm using this Locket liner. I'm not really sure what it's called. It's from e.l.f. It was literally $3. I also use this on my eyebrows, so multi uses. And only $3. Next, I'm taking this Smashbox lipstick in the color True Grit. This lipstick, y'all, I think this is my favorite color of lipstick ever, because it's, I don't know, it's so bomb. Like, I feel like some lipsticks look too red or too pink or too whatever. Like, this is true brown, like, but it's still warm and it's just a nice color. Like, I love how it looks on my skin tone. So yeah. Next, I'm taking this whipped, I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's by NYX and you can use it as a blush as well. And finally, I'm taking this lip gloss, y'all, the bombest lip gloss I've ever used in my life, and I got a 5-pack for $25, so hit up Victoria's Secret. This lip gloss lasts a long time. It doesn't feel sticky and it tastes incredible and it's just bomb. Like, it's just, I don't even know what to say. All right, that is the finished look, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab my wig. The link for this wig that I'm about to put on is in the description as well. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys all really enjoyed this video. I promise I'm gonna be posting more. I'm just like super busy, but I did want to get something up before I got into the thick of finals. And yeah, so this is just a simple but glam makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and give me a like. Hit the subscribe button. If you fuck with me, you fuck with me, and I fuck with you. So let's be friends. Follow me on my social media. I'll have a page at the end of this video with my usernames. So yeah, bye.